Hi there, in this video we are going to see what is JavaScript and what it is used for. So what is JavaScript? JavaScript is a scripting or programming language that allows you to implement complex features on web page. It makes your web page interactive and dynamic. What can we do with JavaScript? We can create interactive web pages using JavaScript. We can display animations and timers on web pages, play audio and video, and change style on click. Create web and mobile application. So JavaScript can create web and mobile application by using some frameworks and libraries. React is a library which is used to create web applications. React Native is used to build mobile applications. Angular and Vue are frameworks which are used to build web applications. JavaScript is also used to build and deploy server applications. We can also create small browser games using JavaScript. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any doubt or any suggestion, please comment down below, and thank you for watching this video.